up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is BizMatik, and I'm back with another one for y'all, right? This time around. I'm getting more excited with this every time. This time around, we got a flock of seagulls. Ooh, with Iran so far away. Okay. I don't know anything about a flock of seagulls, but I do know about... Let me stop. That was gonna be a corny joke. I'm not even gonna do it. But we still in the 80s. We are still here in the 80s, right? It's been dope, man. I love the 80s. I've been enjoying the 80s. Like I said, the 80s a fun era. The era of anthems after anthems after anthems after anthems. I'm talking about songs that they shoved up your ears until you can't forget them. Right, they all over movies, they all over commercials. Oh God, TV shows. You know, you just know them. But y'all let me know what's your favorite era, and y'all let me know about a flock of seagulls. Is their catalog worth diving into? Right. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. This is a music video. Come and watch it with me. Don't be scared. You know, this song was sampled. A popular R&B group they didn't sample it. They just straight up redid this song. But the lyrics for the one I heard say, "And I run these streets all night and day." Damn, I'm trying to think, and it was a very popular song too. I'm trying to think who sampled this, but y'all gonna tell me. I could never think of these things off the top of my head. But so. Damn, this is actually pretty serious. This is fire. I like the guitar. Like, this song is serious. Like, just the whole vibe of it kind of got like a techno vibe to it. You feel me? Got a little techno vibe to it, and I like it. It's just so different. Yo, this is even different from the one that I'm referring to. Like, this is fire. I like this. This is like so left field. It's crazy. I just like their whole swag. The lead singer. I like his vocals. Just the melody of this song is legendary. It's just pure fucking legendary, man. But y'all let me know how you feel about it. Matter of fact, y'all let me know who am I talking about. The streets all night and day. I'm trying to think, bruh. I'm trying to think. I can't think of who the artist is, but I'm sure y'all know, and y'all gonna let me know. And you know, I'm gonna have to Google it after this. All right. That was a flock of seagulls with I ran so far away. Dope, dope, dope. Man, the other song I was thinking of, I still can't think of it. Like why I can't think of it. I don't know. But dope, dope, dope. I like it, man. I like it. I feel like this was this like the early version of kind of like leaning into techno or because it's kind of like rock mixed with electro. No, I don't think that's a thing. I don't think that's a thing. But y'all let me know what category would this be? Like, what genre would this type of music be? I don't know, but I just know it's dope. I like it. A flock of seagulls, dope, 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 dope. I like the whole flock. Shout out to the whole flock. Y'all let me know what's next from a flock of seagulls. And if you made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Also, for my OG triple OGs, I do have a second channel. Link is in the description. Go subscribe to that. Go say what's up over there, all right? And y'all, I'll see y'all in the next one, man. And guess what? Y'all better be there. Peace.